Have you ever looked out your window on a rainy day and wondered about the magic happening outside? The way the raindrops fall, creating a symphony of sounds. Rain is like a gift from the sky, and it makes everything feel fresh and clean. It nourishes the earth and brings life to plants and animals. When raindrops fall from the clouds, they create a beautiful sound like a gentle drum beat on your roof. It's a melody that soothes the soul. Rain transforms the world around us, turning ordinary scenes into something magical. It paints the streets a shiny black, reflecting the lights and colors of the city, and the trees seem to dance as the wind blows through their branches, swaying gracefully. Even the air smells different after it rains, so clean and pure, like nature's own perfume. Rain is essential for life on Earth, providing the water that plants and animals need to survive. And we're about to dive into the amazing reasons why. From the water cycle to the way it supports ecosystems, get ready to learn about the incredible journey of rain, how it travels from the clouds to the ground and back again, and all the wonderful things it does for our planet. Let's explore the magic of rain together. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from and how it ends up falling from the sky? It's a fascinating process that happens all around us. Well, it's all part of something called the water cycle, a continuous loop that keeps our planet hydrated. Think of it like a big, exciting adventure that water goes on, traveling through different stages. It all starts with the sun, our powerful energy source. The sun warms up the water in rivers, lakes, and oceans, causing it to change. When the water gets warm enough, it turns into an invisible gas called vapor and floats up, up, up into the air, like a magical transformation. This is called evaporation. It's like the water is magically disappearing, but it's actually just changing form. As the water vapor rises higher in the sky, it starts to cool down, preparing for the next stage of its journey. When it gets cold enough, the vapor turns back into tiny little water droplets, almost like magic. These droplets huddle together and form clouds, creating the fluffy shapes we see in the sky. This process is called condensation, and it's like the water is reappearing in the sky, ready to continue its cycle. When these clouds get full of water droplets, they become heavy, like a water balloon that's about to burst, signaling the next phase. The water falls back down to Earth in the form of rain, snow, or hail, depending on the temperature and conditions. This is called precipitation, and it's how the water returns to the Earth to start its incredible journey all over again, ensuring life continues to thrive. Rain is like a tall, refreshing drink for all living things, quenching their thirst and revitalizing their spirits. And it's essential for life to flourish, providing the necessary hydration for growth and vitality. Plants and animals rely on rain in so many ways. It's like their very own life support system, ensuring they thrive in their natural habitats. Plants need water to grow big and strong, just like you need water to stay healthy and energized. Rain provides that essential water, helping plants to sprout, develop strong roots, and produce beautiful flowers and tasty fruits and vegetables that we enjoy. Without rain, our gardens would be bare, and we wouldn't have delicious food to eat or beautiful flowers to admire. Animals also depend on rain for survival, as it provides them with the water they need to drink and stay hydrated. Birds use rainwater to take baths and keep their feathers clean, which is essential for their health and ability to fly. While other animals, like deer and rabbits, rely on rain to fill up puddles and streams where they can drink and stay hydrated. Rain even helps some animals, like frogs and toads, to lay their eggs and raise their young in a safe, wet environment. So, rain isn't just about getting wet or staying dry. It's actually a fresh start for the environment. Just think about it for a second. Rain refills our rivers, lakes, and streams. It nourishes plants and trees, helping them grow strong and healthy. And well, it even cleans the air we breathe. Amazing, right? And hey, let's not forget the fun part. Rain means splishing and splashing in puddles, playing in the rain, and oh, the sound of raindrops tapping on the window. It's like nature's own music. Plus, it's the perfect excuse for cozying up with a good book or movie. Pretty cool, huh? So, next time you see those clouds rolling in and feel the first drops of rain, remember all the good it brings. Rain is a true gift from nature, helping our world stay vibrant and alive. And, it's something we should really appreciate. Thanks for joining us on this rainy adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world. Bye for now.